Lesson 3. Formosa. One name, two stories. Formosa is commonly known as an unofficial name for Taiwan. However, what many people don't know is that there is another Formosa located on the banks of the Paraguay River in Argentina. Let's take a detailed look at these two namesakes and investigate the aspects in which they are similar and those in which they differ.
Interestingly, it appears that both Formosas were unintentionally discovered by European explorers in the 16th century. It is believed that a crew of Portuguese sailors first came across Taiwan and named it Ilha Formosa, which means beautiful island. Similarly, Formosa was the European name given to an area of land discovered in South America by Spanish explorers around the same time. These explorers considered the area they had found to possess such exceptional beauty that they decided to settle there.
Apart from their shared name and historical similarities, there is another interesting geographical phenomenon that connects these two locations. Taiwan is located at 23 degrees north and Argentina's Formosa at 23 degrees south, which means both areas are roughly the same distance from the equator. What's more, they sit on the exact opposite side of the world from each other. If someone in northern Taiwan dug a hole straight down into the earth, penetrated its core, and then continued digging to the surface on the other side, he or she would end up in Formosa, Argentina. Since most of the globe is covered in ocean, it is even more amazing that these two bits of land are exactly antipodal.
Despite these two special links, the two Formosas are, in many ways, still worlds apart. Their natural landscapes, for a start, differ considerably. 2/3 of Taiwan's 36,000 square kilometers are made up of majestic mountains covered in dense forest, some of which soar thousands of meters above sea level. Furthermore, the island's mountains, valleys, rivers, and reefs are home to hundreds of unique species found only in Taiwan. By contrast, most of Argentina's Formosa, which is 2 times the size of Taiwan, is fairly flat and covered with trees, grassland, or marshland. Its eastern region receives more rain than its other parts and also has more forests and streams.
There is, in addition, a stark contrast between their economies. Present-day Taiwan is known worldwide for its lively economy and its advanced information technology industry. The Asian island is moreover famous for its natural beauty and friendly people, and thus attracts visitors from far and wide. By contrast, Formosa is one of Argentina's least developed areas. Its economy relies primarily on cattle raising and other agricultural activities, such as growing cotton and fruit. Ranching is also extremely important to Formosa's economy. The area's total number of cattle exceeds 1.5 million, which is more than 3 times the number of people living there.
Whatever differences or similarities exist between the pair, thanks to those who explored the globe hundreds of years ago, people can now pay a visit to 2 beautiful lands. Both Argentina's Formosa, with its gorgeous green plains and lush forests, and Taiwan, with its bustling cities and mighty mountainous landscapes, are sure to impress visitors. Perhaps the people of these 2 lands on opposite sides of the world can even come face to face and get to know each other a little better one day as well. That could make for a beautiful friendship.